Have you ever heard about the invasion of lionfish? It's a fascinating yet concerning environmental issue. You see, lionfish are not villains by nature, but like any good story, things get complicated when they are out of their element. Originally hailing from the Indo-Pacific region, these striking creatures have found themselves in non-native waters across the globe. And here's the twist: they didn't swim all the way there. Instead, human activities, such as the pet trade, have inadvertently introduced them into new aquatic territories. There, without natural predators to keep them in check, their populations have exploded. This rapid and uncontrolled spread has earned them the title of an invasive species. The invasion of lionfish is more than just an underwater tale of misplaced marine life. It's a global environmental issue that has far-reaching implications for our ocean's ecosystems. Now, let's dive deeper into the ecological impact of this invasion. The invasion of lionfish isn't just a problem because they're not native to certain waters. It's a problem because of the ecological impact they have. Let's start with the basics. Lionfish are prolific breeders. A single female can produce up to 2 million eggs each year. Yes, you heard that right, 2 million. This staggering reproduction rate means that lionfish populations can grow rapidly, quickly taking over new areas. But it's not just their breeding prowess that's the issue. Lionfish in invaded regions have very few natural predators. This lack of predators allows their populations to grow unchecked, exacerbating the invasion problem. Now, imagine being a small fish or crustacean in a reef system suddenly overrun by these voracious predators. It's not a pretty picture, is it? In fact, lionfish are so ravenous that they can reduce juvenile fish populations by up to 90% in just a few short weeks. This has a ripple effect on the entire ecosystem. When lionfish decimate local fish populations, the balance of the marine ecosystem is thrown off. This can lead to the collapse of coral reefs and the loss of biodiversity, which in turn impacts other species and even local human communities that rely on these ecosystems for food and income. The lionfish invasion isn't just an interesting anomaly of nature, it's a serious threat to marine ecosystems around the world. Clearly, the lionfish invasion is an environmental crisis that needs addressing. So, what can we do about the lionfish invasion? Well, the battle against this ecological invader is fought on many fronts. The first and most direct approach is targeted fishing. Communities around the world are encouraging divers and fishers to catch these spiky invaders. Some places even host lionfish derbies where prizes are offered for the most lionfish caught. But we can't just rely on fishing. We also need to educate the public about the lionfish invasion. By raising awareness about the impact of this species, we can inspire more people to get involved in the fight. Education initiatives include workshops, school programs, and public awareness campaigns that highlight the threat of lionfish and the importance of managing their populations. And of course, we need research. Scientists are exploring potential natural predators and diseases that could help control the lionfish population. Some promising avenues include studying the lionfish's few natural predators, like the large grouper, or researching diseases that specifically affect the lionfish. This is not a quick fix. It's a complex problem that requires a multi-pronged approach. But every effort counts. From the diver removing lionfish from a coral reef, to the scientist in a lab, to the person learning about this issue for the first time, we all have a role to play. While the lionfish invasion poses a significant threat, concerted efforts can help manage and mitigate its impact.